Hello friends, my name is Amitabh Joshi and I am a tutor by profession. I belong to the holy city of Ujjain in central India and I am presently teaching accounts and economics in Indore. Friends, I have come up with this video to discuss about an initiative which I have taken towards bringing regional harmony in our country. Although there may be various other things through which we can do this job, but this is one of those things which I felt that can be done towards bringing regional harmony in this country. Friends, India is a land of unity in diversity. It is called as land of unity in diversity because there are various cultures, caste, regions, religions, traditions, rituals, communities, languages, and many other things in which there is huge diversity in India. Among these things, one is language. India has 22 official languages, and if we speak about dialect, it is said that it changes every 100 miles. Language is a medium of communication between people. It means it is a symbol of civilization because only human beings have languages. On these grounds, India can feel proud of itself, many times more proud of itself, that so much languages are being spoken inside its territory. The languages being spoken in India are many times more than spoken on many of the continents. Isn't it the thing which make every Indian proud, which should make every Indian proud? I hope that the answer will be yes from every person who's listening this. Then why we fight in the name of languages? My language is superior than your language. Only my language must prevail in my region. Aren't we setting a bad example towards to the entire world? That even civilization may lead to degradation. Then what can we do about this? Friends, we can do at least one thing, that we should start respecting each and every Indian language. Every Indian language should be given equal respect and equal importance from every person that is given by that person to his or her mother language. Because if our mother language is our mother, then other Indian languages are her sisters. And friends, mother's sisters are also like mothers. That is why in Hindi we say Masi. It means like mother to our mother's sisters. We can do one thing towards national integration, that every Indian should learn at least one Indian language apart from his or her mother language, and try to teach at least one person his or her mother language. Say, I am a person whose mother language is Hindi. Now if I learn Tamil or Kannada, Gujarati or Marathi, Punjabi, Assamese or Bengali, Then suppose I learn Bengali from a Bengali person. Maybe it is possible that I may never go to West Bengal. But it may happen that some person may visit my city, my place, who only knows Bengali and is trapped in some unfriendly situation or is in need of some help. Now, if I go and speak to him in Bengali and solve his problems, help him out, then he will feel proud about the Hindi language. He will have a good impact of people speaking Hindi. And when he will go to his part, his place, he will discuss the same thing with his or her friends, neighbors, relatives in Bengal. They will also feel good about Hindi and Hindi people, Hindi speaking people. Suppose a girl in my region learns Kannada and tomorrow after her studies he got placed in Bangalore, Mysore or some other part of Karnataka. It will be beneficial for her. Say she also may not be going to Karnataka, but in Mumbai or Delhi, if she finds some person whose mother language is Kannada and that person knows that the girl from Hindi belt knows Kannada, at least basic Kannada, then that person will also feel good about the people residing in Hindi belt and may also try to learn Hindi. In this way we can bring regional harmony in our country. Every language of India will be spoken in every part of the country. Friends, you can learn any Indian language which you like from the person who is having that language as his or her mother language. The person may be your friend, your relative, your neighbor, your superior or subordinate, or somebody else whom you find that you may learn the language from him or her. The other concept, the other matter is that, the other thing is that no fee will be charged for teaching the mother language of one, and no fee will be paid for learning a language. This will be a social activity as well as a cultural activity. If we will do this, firstly we will learn to respect the language of that region, the culture of that region, the traditions, the rituals of that region. We'll be able to know about that part of the country, about people residing in that part of the country. And similarly, other people may also learn the same things of ours. This will create love, respect, affection and harmony towards some other part of the country. And for our part or place from the person residing in some other part of the country. Friends, for this purpose, I have created a Facebook page, People for Regional Harmony. I repeat, People for Regional Harmony. If you like this video, then please click the like button. And also you can send your responses to my email ID which I have created specifically for this purpose, pfrh@gmail.com. I repeat, pfrh@gmail.com. Friends, soon I will come up with another video in which I will discuss how we can proceed all with our learning process so as to get some basic knowledge of a particular Indian language. Till then, Jai Hind. Unite India, strengthen India. Thank you.